Hello everyone, welcome to part 69 of Advanced Ecom series in Laravel 7. So from this video we are going to make this website online, means whatever we have done so far we are going to make it online, because this is the time when we have made something. We have done some admin panel, we have done everything, and we have done up till listing page. So it is the time when we want to show the website to our client. Okay, like if you are making website for your client, and then client want to see this website, like you have spent some time in this website, now like you spent almost 1 month, and he want to see that what you have done so far. So it is the right time to make this website online. Okay, so whatever we have done, we are going to buy domain and hosting. I will explain you everything, that how to make this online, so that we will keep updating online from time to time. Okay, so that offline and online our code must be matching, so there will be no issue when you are going to transfer this website online. Sometime some PHP version or some other thing may give issue, so you may require to update your code, okay, as per the online PHP version or some other extensions maybe not available online. So you need to take care of all these things. So it is better if you have done some part of your website and start making it online as well. Okay, so let's start. Let's see. So you can see that for making it online there are few steps I am going to tell you, that what we are going to do. And yeah, see, I will make new one. Okay, so see, there are few steps we need to take for making the website online. Okay, steps to take for making the website online. So yeah, first step is we need to buy a domain for our website. Like domain is something, the address on the internet where users can access your website. Okay, so this is the domain. Like any domain, you can see amazon.in, like amazon.in, this is the domain. Okay, Flipkart, that is the domain. So this is the amazon.in is the domain, and this name of your website, this you can also call the name of your website. Okay, so this is we are going to buy. You can buy of your choice, but you need to see that is available or not. That if someone else buy this already buy this, then you can't buy. Okay, so first step is we will select and buy domain for the website. Okay, this is the first step. We will make like stack developers. Okay, we can make like this stack developers.in. Okay, you can give your own name, own business name, like you are making some shop, you are making something, like I have website like sidemakers.in. I have website like sidemakers.in. Okay, so you can make such kind of domain. It may be your shop name, it may be your own name. Okay, so it's your choice, and also extension is your choice. Like in is for the India, .com is for the worldwide. Okay, .net is also there. So if you are from USA, then .us. So you can select any extension of your own country or the global extension. Global extension or .com is the global extension. Okay, most of the domains are .com. Okay, so it's your choice that what you want to take. Okay, this is the domain that you can buy. We will buy in this video, and after that you need to buy the hosting. Select and buy hosting for the website. Okay, so there are many hosting providers. Okay, you can search on internet, you will find the many hosting provider. Hosting, by hosting, you can simply search by hosting and you will get many. Okay, and you need to select one of them. and see here many hosting provider you can see here. So we are going to buy from the GoDaddy because I have faith in GoDaddy. I am using it from a long time and it is the oldest and one of the best hosting provider across the world. So we can buy from the GoDaddy, and you can see their plans here, hosting plans. You can go in hosting and see we are going to buy the Linux hosting because we are working on the Apache server, we are working on the PHP, and you need to buy the web hosting Linux. Okay, and go in web hosting Linux, and then you will able to see all the plans. And if you just want the hosting for the learning purpose, then go for the starter plan. Okay, then there is no need to go for the another plan. You can also upgrade. And if you are doing for the client website, making website for the client, then you can either go for the starter or the economy package, depends upon your website. If your website is big enough, then you can also go for the economy package, as you will get storage 100 GB storage in it, and more more professional things in it. Okay, and if you want to host the multiple website, like you are making the two websites for the client, one for the one client and one for the another client, then you may go for the deluxe hosting. Okay, that supports the unlimited websites. Okay, so see, hosting is the space. You can see that it is the space where you host the website, where you store the website. You can say where you store the website. Okay, so this is required. And in this video I am going to purchase the unlimited website hosting. I'm going to purchase the deluxe hosting. Okay, you can go for starter or economy, but I will go for the deluxe hosting because I want to host multiple websites, not only the one that I am going to make for e-commerce, this e-commerce for the learning purpose, but there are some more websites I want to launch for my clients, so that I will go for the deluxe hosting, and I will explain you that how to host the website as well. Okay, how to make this website online. See, this website, whatever we have done so far, we are going to make it online. We will purchase one domain, and then you can able to see the website at your end. Okay, so and we will keep updating it and making it online. Not every day we will not make see, client will not ask you to make the changes online every day, but maybe he will ask to make the changes online after a week. Okay, so you can weekly update, you can weekly upload the changes online. Okay, so it's your choice, but it is better if you will make it online side by side, so that so that client will can also able to see, and you are also confident enough that your website is online. Okay, so see here, I'm going to buy the deluxe hosting, but you can go for either site, starter and economy. So let's do this process. And so okay, let me finish my other things, like we will buy the hosting, and like we will buy the GoDaddy. And now after that, the third step is we are going to upload our website, whatever we have done so far. Third step is uploading the website to the server. Upload the website code, you can say via FTP or file manager. Okay, and we will also learn about FTP, how to download the FTP, how to connect with the website. Okay, and the fourth step is upload database or website. Okay, first here also you can see download. Okay, that we will do here, no issue. Here we will upload database of website. Okay, first we will make the database online, after that we will upload. Okay, so the last step is making connection. Okay, we will make the connection. We know that how to make the connection in ENB file or in that database.php file, we need to make the connection, make connection and other required settings, okay, that we are going to do. So these are the steps that we will follow while making the website online. So let's follow these steps one by one. So first of all, I am going to make the website online. Let's see. First of all, I'm going to buy the domain and hosting. Okay, so I told you that hosting. So I am going to open in different browser. GoDaddy here in different browser. Okay, so Safari can give some trouble, so I'm going to buy from my Firefox browser. So let's see. Make sure your internet is working fine and fast enough so that our payment will not stop in between. Okay, so first of all, I am going to hosting and web hosting Linux, like I have told. After that, I am going to choose the deluxe plans as I want to host the unlimited websites. Okay, if you have unlimited website, you are going to select this one. So I am going to host, there are various options you can see here: 1 month, 12 month, 24 month, 26 months. So you can select as per your choice. I am going to select the 12 months. For 1 year I want to host my website. After that, I will see that if I want to renew or not. Okay, so for 12 months I am going to do, and whether you want website backup or not, I am not selecting any, but you can select. Okay, and for website security, if you want, then you can select this one. And for SSL certificate, means like you can make it HTTPS. Like if you want your website, like we are doing the e-commerce website, then you must select SSL. You can ask your client whether he wants SSL certificate or not, and SSL means that your domain will be like HTTPS, like this one. Okay, so if you will open amazon.in, they are all SSL. See, this lock is coming, this is certified. Okay, so it will always come like this. Okay, so you can ask your client if he want to use SSL, then you can buy this one. It will make extra cost per year, you can see. Okay, and you can also change the currency to USD. It may be somewhere, and you can change the currency to USD as well. It is coming right now to INR. Okay, let's go to shopping cart, then we will try to change the currency. Okay, I am going to select the 12 month, then scroll down to continue your cart. So we will continue and see with deluxe hosting you are getting the free domain. Okay, I don't know that whether you will get the free domain with the starter package or economy package, but with the deluxe package you are getting the free domain. So we are going to select the domain for our website, this website. Okay, so I am going to choose the Stack Developers itself, Stack Developers. I'm going to search with the name Stack Developers, as my channel name is also the Stack Developers. So I want with the Stack Developers itself. So I will search for whatever is available. You can see all the extensions are available like this, but I am going to buy stackdevelopers.in. Okay, so in is basically for India, but you can buy worldwide, there is no issue at all. Okay, so I will select this one, stackdevelopers.in, and after that you can able to see both are coming now: deluxe Linux hosting with cPanel, and this one stackdevelopers.in domain, and you can see the price here 0. And see the promo code. See here, you can add the promo code of your own choice. Okay, Earlier on I have add one promo code that was not working, but you need to search for the promo code. If you will search online, then you will get this some promo code. Surely you will get this some promo code. And I have also searched someone earlier, so I have one promo code that I am going to paste here now. Okay, so you can also try this one if you are buying. Okay, so it is showing that you have got a great deal, valid promo code, you have got a great deal. So now it reduce the price. So you can now see that our price has been reduced. So now we can continue further checkout. So here it is asking to login. So I am already having a GoDaddy account, so I can log into my account now. And I am already having my account, so you can log into your account. Otherwise you can make new account. Okay, you can make your new account here like this one, or you can log in with Facebook or Google, it's your wish. So I am going to sign in as I am already having my account. So let me sign in. I am already having account, so I can able to sign in. So after sign in, I will directly, it will take me to the okay, it will directly take me to payment methods. Okay, so but I want to review my card once again, because I don't want to take any risk, that I want to see the coupon code has been applied or not. Okay, so I will check once. I want to see. Okay, no issue. I will open GoDaddy once again here. So always make sure that your card is 100%. You must be 100% sure of your card. Okay. So once again, I am going to check out now, and we'll make sure. See, the price is fine. That is fine now. 3594. So everything is seems to be fine. So now I can once again click on checkout. So I reach here. So there are various options you can see here. Either you can pay from credit card, or you can pay from net banking, you can pay from debit card, wallet, UPI. Okay, it's your choice. So I have in-store credit as well, that I am having some credits in my GoDaddy. I can use that as well. Okay, but I am going to pay from net banking. And net banking, see, here is the price. There are some tax as well that has been added. Okay, so it is showing in INR because my account is in INR. It's in they have checked that my account is from India, so that's why. Otherwise, if you are from USA or US or from some other country, it will pick your own primary currency, so don't worry about that thing. Okay, so it will pick the dollar if you are from US or any other country. And I am looking for the currency change, but I not able to find any currency change here. Okay, so no issue. We can make the payment in INR. Okay, so let's continue. I am going to complete purchase now. And see, there are other things as well. If you want to add, then you can add, but we are adding this all for the learning purpose, so we not required at all. So I am going to complete purchase. See, I have selected the net banking, but you can select the credit card, debit card. You can also select the PayPal, is your choice. Net banking option, it will show the Indian banks. Okay, so I am going to make the purchase from my bank account. So I am going to make the purchase from my net banking. Okay, I will select my bank, make payment. See, OTP will come in your mobile. Okay, so you just need to enter that. If you are purchasing from anywhere, most of the time OTP will come, and just you required to complete the purchase. And see, after completing the purchase, it will show you thank for your order, and it will show that you have purchased the deluxe account, and will show you everything. You can even look at the receipt. Okay, so it will show you that you have buy the purchase, like this order you can check. Okay, all the details of your order will come up. Okay, here you can see deluxe Linux hosting with cPanel. Okay, we will also get the email. You see .in domain also we have got stackdevelopers.in. Okay, so we have got everything with our purchase, and whatever we have selected we have got it. And now you can also check by going in your you can close this one, and you can go in your my products, and you can see there as well. And you can see here web hosting, and you have the new plan now, deluxe Linux hosting with cPanel. Okay, so setup is coming up here. Okay, so in next video we are going to set up our hosting, and we'll install FileZilla to upload our code, and we will also upload the database as well to make our website online. Okay, so stay tuned for next video, and do follow these steps. Okay, you must know, even if you don't want to host or don't want to make your website online right now, then you must know these steps. You must be aware of these things. As you are going to learn how to make the website, you must also learn how to make the website online, because if you don't know that how to make the website online, then there is no purpose of making the website, because ultimately you need to make your website online, and you must be aware of server things as well. Okay, so it must be you must watch these videos as well, so that you must be fully aware of how to make your website online. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video, we will continue. Okay, then have a nice time, goodbye.